Good morning, everybody. It's a great day to be alive. And we ate like shit yesterday, but that's alright because we had a good day here. We're continuing to use 3 pouches. What the hell is the number? 4. And yeah, I bought a very large quantity because we're going to stop going in gas stations. We're going to get out of the habit of going to gas stations. Get away from that. And hope this is right. Alright. Everyone have a great day. Stay strong. And crush some goals.